Yoko Ono is renowned for using art as a form of communication and dialogue. Her famous pieces, such as cut piece and instructional paintings, highlight her commitment to audience participation. For today's Cranbrook Collection Deep Dive, we're focusing on one of Ono's instructional paintings in our collection, Add Color Painting. Instructional paintings are a series of conceptual artworks by Ono, featuring short, written instructions that prompt viewers to perform actions or mental exercises. She began these in the early 1960s as part of the Fluxus movement, which emphasized the fusion of different artistic mediums and audience participation. In 1989, the CAM participatory piece, Add Color Painting, was included in Ono's exhibition at Cranbrook Art Museum titled The Bronze Age. The piece, now part of our collection, features a single instruction: do it yourself. Participants added color to the blank canvas, creating the collaborative artwork we see today. This instruction embodies Ono's conceptual approach, transforming a blank canvas into a collaborative artwork and blurring the boundaries between artist and viewer.